I'm Jeff Altman, the Big Game Hunter. I'm a coach who helps people professionally in many different ways. And this is a question from, I have to assume, a young adult. Yeah, it's his first job. And it reads, so I've been here for a year and a half. It's been fun, and it's my first job. But there comes a time where I need to move up in life. I need to quit, but I'm the only person who works the morning shifts, and I'm not too sure if he could find another person to replace me. I don't want to screw him over, but I really need to get out of here and do actual work. How do I go about this? I know I should give at least 2 weeks' notice, but I still know he's going to be angry because he's helped me out so much with becoming an adult. It feels scary. So let me talk to you as a person who's been on both sides of this. I've been one of the people who's had to quit. I've also been an employer who's received letters of resignation or has been resigned to. As I'm recording this, it's July of 2020. COVID is rampant still, and there are almost 50 million people who've lost their jobs over the course of the last few months. I'm sure your employer can find someone who could work mornings, who wants to work mornings, as opposed to an afternoon shift or an evening shift or a night shift. Mornings is ideal. So your employer can find someone. The thing is really about you feeling guilty. So here's the way I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it. At the time you decide to tell him, what you do is say, do you have a few minutes? And normally that's a hint for most employers that someone's about to quit. Sure, I got a few minutes. Great. Can we go into a private place? And then he knows. And then you sit down with him or you stand next to him and look him in the eye and say, I want to thank you for all the help that you've given me over the many years, over this year and a half I've worked for you. You've really helped me grow a lot since I've come to work for you. But I'm sure you understand that there comes a time for many people that it's time to move on to something else. And it seems like this is my time now. One of the reasons I feel comfortable about doing it is, frankly, there's so many people out of work. I'm confident you can find someone. And if you do it quickly, I can help train them to work mornings. So if you want to run an ad, put it on Craigslist or wherever you would post it, by all means, I'd be happy to help train them. Also, by the way, if you can recommend a friend to him who would be interested in this job, that would make it even better. But don't hold back. This is your time to move on. This is part of your maturity and part of growing up. Hope you found this helpful. I'm Jeff Altman. My website is thebiggamehunter.us. Go to the site and go exploring. There's just a lot there to help you. In addition, if you're interested in one-on-one coaching, you can schedule time for a free discovery call or schedule time for coaching. I would love to help you. And by the way, watch me on Amazon. The Job Search TV app is available on Amazon and Roku and Fire Sticks. You can also watch me on bingenetworks.tv, and that app is carried like on 90 some odd smart sets, so you can watch me on Sony, Samsung, and a host of others. Have a terrific day and be great. Take care.